Hey, what is up, nation? In this session, I'm going to teach you how to permanently unlock a password-protected PDF. So I'm going to come down here to the Structures mock exam and click on it. It's trying to open a preview and it won't let me do that because it's password protected. I'm actually going to double click so it opens in my PDF viewer and type in the password, which I've set to OPEN, open. And you can see then I can see the contents of this PDF. But if you purchase something and it came password protected, it can be really annoying to remember the password that you didn't set up. It's just annoying if it's password protected and you don't want it to be. But what you can do is you can come to this website, smallpdf.com/unlock-pdf. And what you can do is you can drag your PDF onto the screen here. It'll upload it. It's going to ask you a few questions and make sure that you're allowed to upload this or to unlock it. And you say, yeah, I can unlock it. Then you type in the password. So I'm going to type in open, really unlock, and then you can download that file. And you'll see here when I click on it that it'll open and it doesn't prompt me for a password. One thing that's a little tricky here that can happen is if you're doing this multiple times, what'll happen is that they'll lock you out of this. They'll say you're only allowed so many, get unlimited amounts. And I'll show you a little workaround. How that's doing that is based on a cookie. It's creating a cookie on your computer. And that's pretty much telling this website, they've used this 3 times, don't let them use it anymore. So what you need to do is you can come to More Tools, Clear Browsing Data. And if you erase the last 24 hours of cookies and other site data, it'll clear that and you'll be able to do that to more PDFs. So hopefully this helps. If you like this video, please don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with your friends. And as always, happy hacking.
All right, designers, just because this episode of Designer Hacks is over doesn't mean we're leaving you out in the cold. Tony's got tons of great content available at designerhacks.com. So join Design Nation right now, and we'll see you on the next episode of Designer Hacks.